My name is Ngira Johnson. I'm a visual artist and ZEC Gombe Division in Nansana Municipality Scouts Council. I'm an artist by profession, and these are one of my art pieces. I've tried to showcase these art pieces in our national camp. These pieces are called canvas paintings. They are made on canvas, painted with water paint and oil paint. They are used to decorate inside the interior. They are used for interior designing. In the rooms, they can do better. So, if you get yourself one, it can do well for you in your sitting room and your bedroom. This is one of the projects that shows that artists, we as scouts, we are creative, which has helped us to survive on this harsh world. So I call upon all my fellow scouts to come and be proud of your talent. Push it hard, work hard, so as to achieve in this world.
SSTV.
Building a scout mentality.